The world is changing fast. Morality is vanishing, truth is under attack, and deception rules the day. Could this be the time we were warned about? Could the signs around us mean that the Dajjal, the greatest deceiver, has already emerged, or that his system is firmly in place? This isn't a fantasy or conspiracy. This is a wake-up call. The Prophet Muhammad warned us about the Dajjal in chilling detail. And today, those signs are no longer just in books, they're in our headlines, our streets, our screens, and even in our hearts. Are we ready? Or have we already fallen into his trap? The system of the great deceiver has arrived. For centuries, Muslims around the world have been warned about a powerful and dangerous figure, Ad-Dajjal, also known as the Antichrist. Described in the hadiths of Prophet Muhammad as the greatest fitna, trial, to ever face humanity, the emergence of Dajjal is one of the major signs of the hour. While Dajjal as a person may not have physically appeared yet, many scholars believe his system, the system of deception, falsehood, and godless control, is already here. In this article, we dive deep into who Dajjal is, how his presence will affect the world, and why many signs point to the fact that his shadow already looms over us. Who is Dajjal? Dajjal in Arabic means the deceiver or liar. He is a one-eyed false messiah who will appear before the day of judgment, claiming to be divine and leading millions astray with his miracles, wealth, and manipulation. The Prophet Muhammad said, "There has been no prophet except that he warned his people against the one-eyed liar. Behold, he is blind in one eye." Sahih al-Bukhari. He will travel the world, spreading lies and controlling resources, giving food, water, and wealth only to those who follow him. Those who resist will face hunger, torture, or even death. But the believers will see through his lies. Physical description of Dajjal. The Prophet gave us several signs to recognize Dajjal. Blind in one eye, his eye will be deformed, like a bulging or floating grape. The word kafir written between his eyes, readable by every believer. Red-skinned and well-built, with thick curly hair. Limping or having uneven legs, suggesting a deformed body. Though he will appear human, his features and aura will expose his evil. He will be extremely convincing, his speech, charisma, and control over nature will trick many into believing he is God. Signs of Dajjal's arrival. Prophet Muhammad gave us specific signs that would appear before Dajjal himself arrives. Many of these signs are already happening today, making people believe the Dajjalic system is already in place. Widespread ignorance and loss of religion. Knowledge of the religion is fading. People don't recognize truth from falsehood. Islam is becoming more of a name, and the Quran is just a book to be recited, not acted upon. Widespread deception. Falsehood has become truth, and truth has become hate speech. Propaganda, fake news, and manipulation are normalized. This is the core of Dajjal's system, deception. Control of resources. Dajjal will control food, water, and money. Today, we see centralization of power by corporations and governments. Those who don't comply are cut off financially or socially. Materialism and obsession with dunya. People are chasing wealth, fame, and comfort, forgetting their purpose. Dajjal will exploit this desire, giving material luxury to those who worship him. Breakdown of morality. Indecency, shamelessness, and immorality have become normal. Entertainment glorifies sin, and those who speak truth are mocked. This mirrors the Dajjalic atmosphere of fitna. Is Dajjal a system before he's a person? Many Islamic scholars and thinkers argue that before the individual Dajjal appears, his system of deceit and control will already be active. This system promotes godlessness, atheism, or secularism, hyper-surveillance and digital control, one-world governance, manipulated media and public opinion, confusion between right and wrong. If you look at the world today, much of this is already in place. Social media algorithms manipulate truth, governments control what is right or wrong, and people worship celebrities, brands, or money instead of God. This is not just a coincidence, it's a preparation for Dajjal's arrival. What will Dajjal do when he arrives? According to hadiths, Dajjal will claim to be a prophet, then claim to be God. Perform fake miracles, reviving the dead, illusion, bringing rain, or causing crops to grow. Travel the entire world in 40 days, with one day like a year, one like a month, one like a week, and the rest like regular days. Enter every city except Mecca and Medina. Gather an army of followers, mostly the misguided, materialistic, and those weak in faith. Only the true believers, those with strong iman and knowledge, will resist him. How to protect yourself from Dajjal? The Prophet Muhammad didn't just warn us, he gave us tools to protect ourselves. Memorize the first 10 verses of Surah Al-Kahf. Whoever memorizes 10 verses from the beginning of Surah Al-Kahf will be protected from Dajjal. Sahih Muslim. Strong iman, faith. Only those with firm belief in Allah will be able to resist the deception of Dajjal. Avoid him. If you hear he has come, do not try to confront or see him. He will manipulate even the strongest minds. Dua of protection. Recite the dua the Prophet Muhammad taught. O Allah, I seek refuge with you from the punishment of hell, the punishment of the grave, the trials of life and death, and the evil of the trial of the false Messiah. Sahih Muslim. Stay close to righteous company. Being around those who remember Allah, seek knowledge, and speak the truth will strengthen your defenses. The hero who will defeat Dajjal, Isa, Jesus. Dajjal will be unstoppable by humans, until Isa ibn Maryam, Jesus, peace be upon him, returns from the heavens. He will descend near the white minaret in Damascus and lead the believers. He will kill Dajjal at Bab Lud, Lydda, Palestine. Truth will prevail. Justice will return. Islam will be victorious. Are you ready? The Dajjal may not have walked the earth yet, but his influence is already here. The culture of lies, godlessness, blind following, and material worship is exactly what Dajjal feeds on. Dajjal is here doesn't necessarily mean the man has arrived. It means his system is alive and thriving. Every day, we are being tested. Will we stay firm on the truth, or will we fall for the lies? Now is the time to wake up. Learn your faith. Strengthen your iman. Recite Surah Al-Kahf. Stay away from sin and deception. Because when Dajjal finally appears, there will be no more time to prepare. Fitna is like a dark night, only those with light can find their way. Make your faith your light before it's too late.